be.
Hi, I'm here to introduce to you our prospect, Asian Central Realty and Construction Incorporated, or we can call it the ACRCI. Basically speaking, what is ACRCI? ACRCI is a real estate company. It is located Antipolo Building, Room 301, Session Road, Baguio City. About the company profile. The company only has freelance agents that work with them. The services offered by ACRCI are buying and selling house and lot packages, build and sell, and construction. How do they advertise their properties and services? First, through the famous social networking site Facebook. Through Twitter, they post it in OLX, and through their existing website.
Created using Powtoon.